Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to search for text and match case in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to search text, go to the home menu, then click the find option, and we can see here opened a navigation box. Now we find anything in this box. Now I write in. Now we want to find match case. Click check mark on the match case, then click find next. Now we can see here find the in text very easily, then close the window. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.